Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So it's AMC set to explode next week, guys. So we know we've been waiting and waiting and waiting for AMC to do what it do. Last week was a solid week overall. Thursday was one of the better days, being for the fact that we went straight up, guys. Held up all day long, power hour, lunchtime, and seen a little pullback during after hours. Had a pullback a bit. We already know, guys, usually you're going to have that pullback throughout a day. And if you don't see no pullback throughout the whole day plus after hours, know you was messing with a beast. AMC is definitely still that beast though, but we dealing with a lot of manipulation. A lot of powerful people is trying to hold this stock back with every little thing they got. So those people is, trying to stay above water. Those people is losing, equity in their company. They happen to sell stuff, liquidate assets in other areas just to continue to tame this one little beast, which is AMC. Also GME, but over here we already know we focus on AMC, guys. And the reasoning being is because me personally, I can't speak for everyone. I watched GME go from, $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, all the way into the hundreds. And I never really bought in. I was like, sometimes I would chase everybody get ahead of themselves and want to break their rules and chase something that they know they shouldn't be buying because it done ran. But with GME, I just knew, I was like, I'm not about to buy that. It's just crazy. The price is crazy for it. And so I said, I'm going to eye the next one because I do believe in sympathy plays. Like we had got in on Express, made money. It ain't never do its full potential. But we know that once GME did it, we ain't know 100% fact, but I felt as if I would look for another stock in that sector, in that category, that could possibly pop off next. And the type of stocks I personally was looking for was something that was a popular name, household name back in the day, that was running out of business, that was running out of leverage, and the stock price was very, very low, but it was a popular company. And what better company would there be to get than the most popular movie theater chain sitting at $5, $6, $7, $8 on the share price? That's what we had got in at the beginning of all this, because we knew we didn't want to chase GameStop and we were looking for the next one to do something similar to GameStop, and that was AMC. That checked off all those boxes, guys. Popular name, everybody knew about it. It's trading at a very cheap price. And then that's when I just started looking at all the stocks in that area of that sector, because like we know, it's sympathy plays. Like I was telling you guys about Express, if AMC would have continued to do crazy numbers, we would have seen Express come up and do right behind it. That was the next one. And as well as BlackBerry, Nokia, all these other popular names from back in the day, but no longer doing well, but trading at significant less prices. They're like, dang, that's BlackBerry trading at $2, or so it was, a good stock to get in, not for the fundamental aspects, but for the possibility of it popping and going crazy like GameStop, guys. So we know those was high risk, high rewards plays. So that's why in a play like that, you never want to be over leveraged or have way too much money in, or money in that you can't, bear losing. Because plays like that is definitely going to be manipulated a lot more than other stocks, being for the fact that it's so much money that's out on stake, guys. These billionaires and millionaires short these companies like that. They thought they would get it down to $0.00, where that's tax-free dollars. That's the best dollars to get in America. The only people that's getting tax-free dollars in America is churches. So you already know, guys, everybody aiming for that. So anyways, back to AMC next week. It does has the potential to do some things, guys. We know every time AMC starts to creep up, and once it get that reversal of current formation that is actually about to start back being green after green after green, then things could heat up very quick. And when that FOMO starts to kick in, that's exactly what we're going to need to take us to that next level. And we also know exactly how quick and how fast this thing could go once it starts to run. Just a month or so ago, we was trading at 13. We popped to 36 in the blink of an eye. In less than 13 days, AMC was sitting at 36, almost half of the all-time high that we was currently at on last year. So all between all that time, we've been getting hammered down. Most of the buy orders getting transferred through the dark pools, and all the selling pressure has been doing on the open markets. So this whole time we've been manipulating, getting hammered down prices that we know we shouldn't be trading at. But as soon as they can't hold us back no more, and that pressure starts to bust those pipes, we move up very quickly because of all of that, all of that baggage, really. So getting ready for next week, guys. We is looking for a hot week. We're looking for the market, Bitcoin, all that could spike up very big, guys, just to come right back down though. And AMC, we know recently it started getting on a different frequency, meaning it's being traded different from the overall market. And then the market, sometimes it'll be a little off. But if we could get back on that original algorithm that we was once on, meaning we trading it as a hedge against inflation in the overall market from it crashing, then we could possibly see this thing turn into the beast that it was made to be, guys. Meaning we get this run up with the overall market, with Bitcoin, and even when the market does decide to reverse and come back down, AMC continue to rise because it done built up so much hype, some hype, FOMO, all the news, all the catalysts, the fundamental aspects, it's through the roof, earnings approaching, and all that stuff just came and made something big. So you already know, guys, I do believe next week should, give us some excitement. So you already know, like I say, add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.